There's a scarlet dragonfly right in front of me. It's been raining, so this path has a lot of water today. Yeah, I'm doing my documentary series. So we're on the Bukit Kiara side of this park, and we're heading towards the Tamantoon side. If I'm quiet, you can hear the crickets in the background, and this is like a little tarmac road. So pretty flowers. There's some bees, there's some ants. It's really supporting quite an interesting ecosystem. There's a little black insect there. There's a rubber seed, which means the rubber trees are just at the back. So you can see where rubber comes from. It comes from actually the branch. Quite a lot of mosquitoes today because it's been raining, so I've left Belinda behind me because she's like she's mumbling behind me. This is like a slippery, soggy, muddy slope that we have to go down. I'm gonna switch off my phone before I slide all the way down, but Belinda has gone there. I'm gonna follow her. We made it down into this open section. There's a lot of banana plants. We found a waterfall, so we can hear the sound of water. Gonna head towards it. It's a bit of a river.
There's a green one and then a water.
Quite pretty though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
I am not getting it. Give me the phone.
Look, it's just hanging out there. Look.
I can hear monkeys.
Oh my god.
I see you. I see you. Oh, look at her. It's surreally. Hello. It's a mummy and a baby. It's a white-light surreally. It's climbing the canopy. Quite shy. Hello.
5 of them, I think.
Is there 5 of them?
There's 3 there, 3 there, 1 there.
Oh yeah, they're having... Crawl, little snail. You can do it.
Is it a snail?
Look at that. Woo! She's getting daylights out of me. It's not a very good climber. I just fell. Oh, you can do it too. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, yeah. Go for it. Up the branch. Up the branch. Oh, there you go. You made it. It's a massive beetle. Whoa, whoa. Quite acrobatic. I see you. I know you're there. You can come with us. Okay, we're going. Pretty. It's a purple toothwort. It's an indigenous plant to this area, especially in humid weather. Many layers of canopies, many trees, many ferns, parasite plants. Very interesting walk. See patterns on tree trunks. Kind of mad. It looks like it's got some resin coming out of it.
So pretty. What after the rain is so pretty. There's
Camo leaves. Pretty cool. I guess this is where they got the idea of camouflage from. These look so psychedelic. Ooh. Huge. This looks like the Rasta plant. Oh no, what happened to our little baby nursery? They're all dead. They all died. And they're all black. And shriveled. Gone.
no, it's just a bug.
Anything I can't identify is potentially a firefly. And Belinda just called it, it's just another bug. I don't care. I'm having you in record for now.